Hello friends, hope you are doing well. Today we are going to study functions of an entrepreneur. Before that we'll see who is an entrepreneur. Entrepreneur is a person who start the new business and offer a new product in the market. He always work on the ideas, he always search for the changes and he always grab the opportunities. So that is the entrepreneur. Now we are going to study the functions of an entrepreneur. The key to remember the answer is Don go to India. It means determination of objectives, development of market, organizing fund, new technology, good relations, taking decisions and innovation. So let us study one by one. The first function of any entrepreneur is decide the objectives. He has to set the goals and objectives of his business. Last year we studied there are two types of objectives, economic objectives and social objectives. So, it is the function of each and every entrepreneur to decide and set the objectives of his business. He has to set primary and secondary objectives. First, he will achieve the primary objectives and then he will move towards the secondary objectives. He has to make the changes in the objectives as per the market situations. These goals and objectives are nothing but the target of the business. So every entrepreneur has to set the objectives for his business and it is his first function. The second function is the development of market. The entrepreneur has to find out the different ways to market his product. He has to sell his product in the market. Then only he will earn the profit. So he has to find out the different ideas that how he can sell the product in the market. For the same, he has to conduct the market research or market survey. So he can understand the consumers' demand, their likes, dislikes and what they want. Once he understands what the consumers want, he can offer the same and in that way he can create the market. Once he will create the market, the demand of the consumers will increase and that way he will develop the market. So the second function of the entrepreneur is to develop the market for his product. The third function is the organizing fund. Fund is nothing but the finance. Every entrepreneur has to make the arrangement of finance. Finance means capital. Without capital, we cannot start the business or we cannot run the business. So he has to find out the different financial sources. He can raise the finance through internal sources or external sources. He can bring his own money in the business or he can borrow money from banks. But there must be adequate and continuous flow of finance in the business. Then only the business can be run smoothly. He has to maintain good and honest relations with the investors. So investors will always invest in his business. So this is the third function of entrepreneur, that he has to make the arrangement of finance or capital. The fourth function of each and every entrepreneur is the new technology. Every day new innovations are coming up. Every day new technology is emerging. So he has to introduce new technology in his business. Then only there will be growth of the business. So whenever the new technology is coming to the market, the entrepreneur has to buy it or entrepreneur has to purchase it and he has to use it in his business. So this is the fourth function. The fifth function of an entrepreneur is good relations. He has to maintain good and healthy relations with each and everyone. The businesses depend on many people. The businesses depend on suppliers, employees, investors, government, consumers, society. So every entrepreneur has to maintain good relations with everyone. There must be healthy working culture in the organization. There must be good relationship between the subordinates and superior. And if there will be good relations, then of course there will be proper coordination among the employees. And proper coordination will bring the success. So each and every entrepreneur has to establish good relationship with everyone. So this is his fifth function. The sixth function is taking decisions. Entrepreneur is the leader of the business. So he has to take the wise decisions for his business. He has to take decisions on time, and those decisions must be correct one. Decisions are very important for the business plan. An entrepreneur has to consider all the pros and cons, means positive side and negative side of the decisions before taking any. He has to study the business environment before taking the decision. His decisions must be rational and must be based on the studies. So, this is also one of the functions of the entrepreneur, that he has to take decisions for his business. The last function is the innovation. We know that entrepreneur is basically an innovator. He always introduce new techniques, he always introduce new technology or new features or new product, or he find out the new market. Innovation is very necessary. Similarly, innovations are used to solve the problems also. Whenever there will be problems in the business, an entrepreneur has to solve them with the innovation. So, innovation is also one of the functions of an entrepreneur. In this way, we studied functions of the entrepreneur in this video. Please subscribe my channel, like and share this video. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment box. You can give your suggestions and how you like this video. That also you can mention in comment box. Keep watching. Thank you. Take care.